Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Bronx, you can hear him. He is here somewhere playing with a toy, which you're probably going to hear throughout this video. He's being a little obnoxious. There's a storm going on right now. He's a little scared of it. You're fine. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for August 2021. This is a $25 a month subscription. In here, we should have 5 full-size products. I do believe you get to pick 1, 2 of them. You get to pick a couple of them. I never pick. I have not picked anything in this box. I don't know what's in here. They also do like add-on sales, and if you review things, you can get points and earn stuff. I don't really do any of that either. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will do the research. I will have it on the screen right here for you, as well as the value of the item, but there should be a card in here that will also tell us the value of the item, so be sure to mention it verbally as well. All right, let's just open this box up. Alright, so once you have the box open, looks like that. There's a little sneak peek. The card right here on top will have everything we're getting, as well as their full-size values, as well as the theme for the month, which is Go All Out. Let's just start pulling stuff out of here. Let's just pull this out. This first thing I am pulling out is from Claras NY, which is interesting because I have a mother-in-law and a sister named Clara who live in New York. This is an advanced serum plus vitamin E, HA 100, hyaluronic acid 100. I'm not sure exactly what all that means. All I do know is that it is a facial serum. I'll go ahead and pull it out of this box for you. I think I'm going to be giving this away though. There it is. Just pretty simple packaging. It does say it's cruelty-free, so that's good. It's just a serum, you know, nothing I can really say about it. I have not used it, but, you know, I'm not mad to get that. I do like a good serum, but I have about 20 of them to get through. The value on that is $24.99, which is actually fairly cheap for a serum in my experience. Definitely more affordable than I think any serum I've ever tried, so that's not a bad price. I've never heard of that brand though, so I can't really speak to that. All right, let's just pull out this next thing. This also looks like some sort of skincare. This is from Volition, which I've never heard of this brand. There's the packaging. I actually really like the packaging. This is a hibiscus unspottable correcting oil, which I'm not sure what that means. Okay, so it reduces the appearance of dark spots and discoloration, hydrates and helps improve moisture retention. Soothes the appearance of stressed skin. So is this just like another serum, but with more stuff in it? I guess it's just a face oil is what they're calling it. I don't really deal with hyperpigmentation or anything like that. I do have some darker spots from sun damage from when I was younger and I worked at a tanning salon and I just fried my skin up every day. So maybe I will give it a try and see if it helps with those. They really just look like little, almost like freckles on my face. They're a little bit bigger. I'll give it a try though. I've never tried anything like this, so I'm curious to see if something like this actually works. My guess is probably not, but I will give it a go. If it is cruelty-free. Does it say cruelty-free? I did not even check that. It is cruelty-free. The value on that is $49, which I don't think is too bad. Skincare and like oils and serums and like eye creams just tend to be expensive, so I'm not surprised to see an oil priced at $49, to be perfectly honest. Okay, let's see. It looks like we have another maybe skincare item. This is from Kadar, which is cruelty-free. This is the Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist. There it is. I do like that it's, I'm not sure if you can tell, but it is wrapped in an outer layer of plastic, which is good because stuff like this tends to come leaking, so I will take that off and see. Actually, I really like the packaging on this. Super, super cute. There's a piece of plastic sticking to my hand. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this out and see what we're dealing with. I'm hoping it's not scented. I don't really love scented face spray, but it is scented. What is that scent? Something florally. A little bit florally. The mister is really, really great on it though, so this is good. I will definitely use that. Hopefully that's for after makeup. I don't even know if that's for after makeup, but I just sprayed it on my face. It's not saying, it's just saying shake well, mist face. Let me look at the card and see if that gives me more information. Yeah, so it's before makeup, and I just sprayed it all on my face. So there's that. It is valued at $19, which I don't think is really too bad for that. Looks like it hasn't screwed up my makeup. Good thing I only sprayed it twice. Anyways, excited to get that. I definitely will use that. That's the first thing I'm super pumped about. All right, let's pull out this next thing. This is from Iconic London, which is cruelty-free. This is the Ultimate Bronzing Powder, and mine is in the shade Medium Bronze, which I hope that is not too dark for me. Let's see. This is huge. I don't know if you can see how huge this is. Like, here's that serum. Like, huge. I like how these metallic packages look until you start touching them. You can see. It's got my fingerprints all over it. Anyways. Oh, this is the nice color for me, I think. So there's the color. It's like a cool toned brown, you know, like a bronzer is. This is a great color for me. I think personally, just looking at it, I like a cool toned bronzer. And it's got a mirror in here, I think. Yeah, there's a mirror. There's the mirror right there. I love bronzers. It's probably one of my favorite things to get and to try out. This pan is huge. There it is on my hand, so you can see it's not a bad color. I mean, I'll swatch it, but it's a bronzer. So yeah, that definitely looks like a light enough color for me. Although that color being medium, I don't know if that says anything about their color range, but that normally I'm a light medium, not just medium. But anyways, maybe they have darker colors. I haven't looked into it, but definitely excited to get that. The value on that is $35, which seems like a lot, but this pan is like no joke. It's huge. Like, that is huge. I don't think that's a bad price for a bronzer that big, personally. Alrighty, guys, and we have one last item. This is from Dido, I think is how you say this brand. This is the Venus palette. Let me see. It is cruelty-free, so that's good. I've never heard of this brand. I know nothing about them. Let's open this up and see if we think we will like this. That took way too long. Finally got it open. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. Like, I'm here for this. This is what I'm talking about when I say like innovation for like makeup products. Like, how cool is this palette? Can you see like all the different textures and like, look at that. It's got like dots on it. Do you see that? That is so cool. I hope the quality is good because this is definitely just visuals alone. This is super cool looking. I want to try this, even though like generally this isn't like my vibe. It's so different that I just have to swatch it. So I'm gonna take this first. I gotta do this weird. Oh God. Okay, so there's the problem right there. That's not good. You know that bubbly color I showed you? You see that? That Mars? It's like dripping. Like, I touched it and it just started coming apart. So that's a problem. Let's see if I can smush it down in there. Okay, so it does. I don't know. I mean, that looks like something that needs to be like pressed again. Let me not touch that one anymore. Let me try. Sorry, Mars ball. It's just floating around. Sounds weird. There's a little ton of shimmers in here. There's 3 mattes, and they're like brown, black, white. So like they're like the basic mattes, which is good, I guess. But there's only 3, just so you know. Every other color is a shimmer. All right, let's try these. So this first one's called Venus. Not overwhelming, but it is like a nice, delicate, like highlight sort of color. Mars, which is that like bumpy one. Do you see that? Okay, so that, oh, it turns out copper. That's cool. The black one, which is Europa, and it may be actually like a eggplant. Yeah, so there it is. And I actually thought it was a matte, but it is a shimmer as well. There may be no mattes in here. I don't know, because the other ones look matte, but they could be shimmer as well. And then the last one is called Jupiter. I did not plan this out very well. So they all do really well, even though that Venus one is kind of light. I still like it. Like, it's pretty. It's very glittery. This is a very glittery, not very glittery, but that Venus color is glittery. But I like it. I think this is a cool palette, very different. Be mindful if you do buy this or you get this in your box, that Mars shade is, the balls sort of just fall out. Okay, and the value on that palette is $29.99, which I don't think is a bad price for it. Some of the pans are super small, and they're the colors that one would typically go through faster, like the mattes, which, you know, I guess it kind of forces you to try something different, but just be aware that the colors that you're going to use every day to like do your transition and all that stuff, those are very, very small pans. All right, let me add everything up real quick. Okay, so I did this in my head because I actually don't have my phone in here, but I think the value is $137.99. The screen will confirm or deny whether I added up correctly in my head, but that's what I think I got. Overall, I really like this box. I think I am most excited for the bronzer just because I really, really, really love bronzer. I try so many different bronzers trying to find like the perfect bronzer, and so yeah, I have another one to try. I also really liked the face mist, even though I used it post makeup. I think I will enjoy having this. It's just awesome, and the sprayer is really, really great. So this is the kind of sprayer that you'd like maybe transfer to like a setting spray that doesn't have a great sprayer. Really, really like that. The eyeshadow palette is really cool and different, so I'm excited to try that. It's really hard to get excited about eyeshadow palettes when you have so many, but that one is definitely different and something that I am interested in trying out. And then the two face products, the serum I'm not excited about just because I have so many, but the spot correcting or like hyperpigmentation correcting one, definitely interested in giving that a try. It's not something I've ever tried before, so I'm excited to give that a go. So overall, really like this box. I'm going to use all but probably the face serum. I'm probably going to pass it on to somebody else. But everything else I'm going to use, so that's a success in my book. All right, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more dogs being annoying, more monsoon storms, you know, all that stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.